Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 4 to 10, 2023. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Ayan, pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan, tinan natin Capricorn. What's up with you this week? For Cappies. You have the 9th house, seeking. May foreign travel opportunities for you. Yung iba, mag-aasikaso ng passport or yung hinihintay yung passport parating na i-deliver na sa inyo. Yung iba naman, may pag-aaral, no? Meron kayong mga i-explore, gusto nyo pang matutunan on a deeper level. You also have Aries. This is being, more, anong tawag dyan? Yung mas malakas yung loob mo na magsimula ng bago. Second house, which is about assets. So, I think, yung ba sa inyo, pwedeng meron kayong i-explore na bagong pwede nyong pagkakitaan. Na pwede nyong gawing source of income with second house here. Yung iba, pwede ring, meron kayong pag-aaralan na isang skill na kung saan pwede nyong gawing source of income in the future. So, halimbawa, example, interesado kayo sa pagwe-welding. 'di ba? So, pwedeng mag-enroll kayo sa TESDA. Alamin nyo kung paano maging welder. And then, pag nakuha nyo na yung skill na yan yung magbibigay na sa inyo ng opportunity. Magbubukas na ng opportunity sa inyo yan for new job, new career abroad, no? Lalo na kung yun yung gusto mong i-pursue. Okay? So, syempre, may bago kang source of income. May options ka na ngayon. Let's see what else. You have the Chariot. This is success, movement, travel talaga. Some of you Capricorn this week, you will be traveling a lot. You might also get a new car or meron kang ipapaayos na sasakyan, or pwedeng more on bibili to more on travel movement. You also have the Judgment card, so this is reinvention of yourself. I think parang you are being asked to make some changes in your life na alam mong it's no longer working for you, or parang nararamdaman mo sa sarili mo na it's time to change, it's time to move on, it's time to go to a different direction. Kasi I think tinatry nyo pa rin i-save ito, no? But some of you feel na it's time to close that chapter, kumbaga. See, you have the 3 of Swords. Mahirap man sa inyo to, kasi lalo na kung matagal na ninyong ginagawa yan, or matagal na kayo sa sitwasyon na yan, sa trabaho, sa career na yan. And this week, maaring maging struggle or challenge sa inyo na iwanan. But with the Page of Swords, I think you will be enlightened anytime soon about this. May mga ganun talaga, kailangan mong i-let go. You need to let go or release something para to make space for new things in your life. So I think that is what you're going to do ngayong week na to. You have the 10 of Swords. So meron ka talagang tatapusin na isang situation na sa tingin mo, you have done enough or you've had enough. Parang feeling mo, okay, hanggang doon na lang yung kaya ko. Some of you, relationship, but for most of you, this is about a career situation or a job situation. Kasi mas nagiging open ka ngayon sa mga bagong kaalaman, mga bagong potentials or possibilities na pwede mong i-explore, na pwede mong pagkakitaan. A stubborn, aggressive person, so pwedeng ikaw to. And then, Parrot, someone will gossip about all your secrets. Be careful sa mga pagsasabihan mo ng iyong mga sekreto. Mas maganda na kung ayaw mo na may makaalam noon, wag mo na lang ipagsabi sa iba. Kasi, someone might gossip you know. And then, someone is leaving your life. Merong aalis sa buhay ninyo. So, I think, some of you, pwedeng relationship ito, with the Three of Swords. You also have handshake. A meeting with a stranger could be important. So, meron kang makikilala, random na person sa buhay mo na pwedeng magbibigay ng impact sa buhay mo. Na pwedeng makikilala mo to habang nagta-travel ka. Can be a dark man or dealings or relationship with a man with dark complexion or hair. This can also be your energy. You have psychic ability. Just trust your intuition, your instinct, Capricorn. Kasi may mga times na sinisecond guess mo yung sarili mo. Yung tipong hindi ka sure about what you need to do moving forward. So, kung merong person sa buhay mo na you feel na parang something sketchy siya or something na off sa kanya, wag mo nang sabihin lahat ng mga bagay or i-share sa taong to yung mga bagay na very sensitive sa'yo na you don't want anyone to know. Okay? Or else, baka i-gossip ka lang yan. And there is someone talaga na posible mong makilala this week na babago sa perspective mo sa buhay. Oo. So, you will know if this is the person kasi parang the moment that this person shake hands with you, you will feel the energy of this person na parang, itong taong to, meron tong malaking impact sa buhay ko. Ganon. Pwedeng sa business yan, sa trabaho, or even sa relationship. You have the 4th house, you have North Node, Cancer. Cancer and North Node in the 4th house. Or North Node and Cancer in the 4th house. North Node is about your destiny. This is about yung future mo. I think, mas lalo kang magbibigay ng attention sa family life mo kung ano yung plano mo for the future para sa family mo. It's not about just yourself. Oo. Mas focus ka ngayon sa kung saan mo gustong dalhin yung family mo, yung living situation mo in the future. Okay? Let's see what else. You have the Knight of Wands, Queen of Wands. Very creative yung energy ninyo and at the same time action. So maraming ganap for this week for you. You also have the 4 of Cups. I think, yung iba sa inyo, aalisin sa isang sitwasyon na hindi na fulfilling sa inyo. Kung sa tingin nyo wala ng fulfillment dyan, it's either ikaw yung magde-decide na aalis dyan, or the universe will do something for you to change direction. Okay? Para mapunta ka dun sa iyong destiny. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.